Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your subscriptions with Chargebee exports, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your subscriptions with Chargebee exports, start by logging into your Chargebee account. Navigate to the Subscriptions tab found on the left sidebar. In the Subscriptions section, look for the Export option located towards the top right corner of the page. Click on the Export button to initiate the export process. You will be prompted with options to customize your export. Select the format you prefer for your export, either CSV or Excel. Next, determine the date range for the subscriptions you want to back up. Check the boxes next to the specific data points you wish to include in the export. These data points may include subscription details, billing history, or customer information. Once you've made your selections, click on the Export button to generate the file. A notification will appear, indicating that your export is being prepared. You may need to wait a few moments for the export to be completed. Once ready, a download link will be sent to your email or displayed within the Chargebee interface. Click the provided link to download the exported file to your local device. After downloading, locate the file in your Downloads folder or designated download location. It's a good idea to store this backup in a secure location for future reference. You can now open the file using your preferred spreadsheet software to review the data. This will allow you to ensure everything you need is correctly backed up. Remember to regularly update your backups to maintain accurate records. Following these steps will help you successfully back up your subscriptions with Chargebee exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.